Alright, good morning. This is Jared with Around the Bend Pressure Washing. Back again in Havana. Got a roof blow off. This is a returning customer. Last time I was here, it had rained the day before, so I was not able to access the roof. But did a house wash and cleaned the gutters. It looks like some of the gutters are going to need another quick shot. So I'll blow those out for her. You can see up at the top and her dog Lola is not a fan of mine today. So we'll work with that the best we can, but otherwise getting up top and blowing all this stuff down. She had a bunch of trees trimmed back, so it should make it a little bit easier to access everything. So we'll get to work and see how it turns out. Alright, let's have a look. So on this one, actually, I ended up not only using the leaf blower, I also went ahead and hit it with some water. Had a couple of spots that were stubborn and just would not come with the leaf blower. Come around on this side. Hopefully you can see that with the sun. I do have one gutter up in this corner here that I just cannot get an angle, and I don't have enough ladder to be able to safely get to it. So I'll talk to the customer and see how she wants to handle it. I really don't like leaving a job incomplete, but at the same time, if you can't do it safely, it's not worth doing. So we'll talk to her, but everything else turned out real well. On this particular property, she's going to need gutter cleaning on a regular basis. Just a lot of trees in and around the area. So we'll see if she wants to get onto a reoccurring maintenance plan for that. I managed to let Lola out earlier, the dog, so make sure I get that all closed up. I'll come around on this front side and take a look. The roof actually needs to be cleaned, but it's already starting to see some delamination on it, so she wants to hold off for right now, which makes sense. Oops, sorry for the finger on the camera. But everything turned out, and I'm off to my second job. Thanks for watching.